Hello, friends. Welcome to Nabula Mahami Online Maths. In this video, we are going to solve another simultaneous equations involving two variables within 10 to 15 seconds using a trick. I've earlier on recorded a video using the same trick to solve questions, but somebody is asking me to re-explain or throw more light on the trick. And the last question that we solved was what's the June 2013, question 45. And I'm going to use the same trick to solve the example on the board. And that example is what's the November 2011. And this was question 13. So I'm going to use the same trick and we solve this one within 10 to 15 seconds. But let me put a caution or warning here. This trick, never use it in the section B or in the theory. Always use it in the objectives. You know, in the objectives, you don't need to show working. You only need to use some shortcuts, get your answer, and go and sheet. But if you use it in the theory, it will not be clear for the examiner to see the solution and mark it well for you. So please never use it in the section B, the theory, but it's good for the objectives. So let's solve the question on the board and you see how the trick works. The question says, if 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 1, and x plus 2y is equal to 8. Find the value of x plus y. If you remember, the last example that we solved, the past question that we solved the last time, that particular question, they were asking you to solve for x and y, that is separately. But this question is asking you to find x, find y, after that you add them together. So let's see how you do that. And before you can solve for x and y, it's good you copy their equations down. So let me copy the equation down. 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 1. Then the other one is x plus 2y is equal to 8. Then this side, the same thing, 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 1. Then x plus 2y is equal to 8. I'm writing them this way because we have two variables to solve, x and y. So this side, I will be solving for x there. Here, I will be solving for y. And the last time I said that for you to be able to use this trick, you need to draw only 4 lines. And the lines that you will draw will help you get the answer for each of the variables. And now, the direction of the lines when you are to solve for x is different from the direction of the lines when you are to solve for y, especially the first and the second line in both cases differ. But the third and fourth lines in both cases are the same. So you have to take note of that. So let's look at x, the direction of the lines. The first line will go this way. So that means that you are taking this number, multiplying by this number, and 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. Then after that, you subtract. Then second line will go this way. And this also means that you are taking this number and you are multiplying with this. And minus 3 times 8 is minus 24. Over. The third line go this way. Look at the direction. Meaning this time this. 4 times 2 is 8. Minus. Then the fourth line go this way. And the coefficient is 1. And 1 times minus 3 is minus 3. And now, let's add the numerators and add the denominators. After that, we simplify. Minus 2 minus minus 24. And you know that when negatives follow each other this way, it tends to be positive. So it will now be minus 2 plus 24. And that will give me 22 over 8 minus minus 3, which tends to be 8 plus 3, which is 11. And 22 over 11 is 2. That means that x is 2. Then let's solve for y. Y will be equals to, look at the direction of the lines. The first line goes this way, meaning we take 4 times 8, which is 32, minus. The second line goes this way. 1 is here, and we're multiplying by negative 1. That will be minus 1 over the third line. 4 times 2, 8, minus this line, that is the fourth line, 1 times minus 3, that will be minus 3. And you know that 32 minus minus 1, it will be 32 plus 1, that will be 33. And 8 minus minus 3 is 8 plus 3, which is 11. And 33 over 11 is 3, meaning y is 3 here. Now, the question says we should find x plus y. So my x plus y now will be 2 because x is 2 plus y, which is 3. And 2 plus 3 is 5. If you get your 5, you go to the options, go through and see. You know, A is minus 1, A is minus 5, B is minus 1, C is 1, and D is 5, meaning our right answer is D. Then you go and shade D. This is how we use the trick. So please just master this one. Use it to solve so many questions so that you will be confident with the trick. So that when you see it, when you see a question like that, you just use it and solve. Even if you are solving for theory, after everything, you can use the trick to check and see whether your answers are correct or not. Thank you for watching this video. But please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nabla Mahmi Online Maths, so that you'll be notified anytime a new video is being uploaded. You can also follow me on TikTok by name Prof. Nabla. Bye bye for the day.